Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Subaru WRX STI versus EVO 9. These two legendary sports sedans have battled for supremacy for decades, each with a dedicated fan base. We'll dive deep into what makes them so special, from their rally-bred performance to their unique driving characteristics. Get ready for a head-to-head analysis of these automotive icons. Under the hood, the STI often boasts a 2.5-liter turbocharged boxer engine, known for its distinctive rumble and broad power band. The EVO 9, on the other hand, typically features a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4, celebrated for its high-revving nature and tuning potential. While their engine layouts differ, both deliver exhilarating performance, pushing well over 300 horsepower to all four wheels. When it comes to handling, both cars are masters of grip. The STI's symmetrical all-wheel drive system, often paired with a driver's control center differential, provides incredible balance and traction. The EVO 9 counters with its sophisticated super all-wheel control, including an active yaw control differential, allowing for precise cornering and agility. Each system offers a distinct feel, but both excel at putting power down effectively. Inside, both the STI and EVO 9 prioritize a driver-centric experience, with functional layouts and supportive seats. While not luxury vehicles, they offer enough practicality for daily use, including decent trunk space and seating for four. Ultimately, choosing between them often comes down to personal preference for driving feel and brand loyalty. For other great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.